Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. It's Wednesday. I'm glad you're back. We are going to learn a new letter and sound today. Now, we've already had this one, the bat, B, letter B, when we drew our bat and drew our ball. Bat, B. And we learned that it's a lip puffer, B, B. Our lips puff out some air. Put your hand in front of your mouth, B, B. You can feel it puff out a little bit. Our lips are together when we make that sound, B, B. And our voice box is turned on. Put your hand on your neck and say, B, B. You can feel your voice box working, B, B. We have to be really careful and not say B, not drop our chin down, B. It doesn't say B, it says B, B. We have to make it very sharp. That is called a stop sound, B, B, because our mouth stops it from coming out a long time and we make it really quick. So we have to be careful with it. So our new sound is the sound that we hear at the beginning of the word pig, pit, and put. Say those words after me. Pig, put, pit. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word pig? That's right, you hear the P sound. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word pit? You hear the P sound. That's right. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word put? P. You hear the P sound. Okay, our lips are together again. P, P, P. Right? P, P, P. It's a really quiet sound because put your hand on your neck and make the P sound. P, P, P. The voice box isn't turned on. Say this sound, B, 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 and then say P, P, P. The letter P spells the P sound. So when you hear the P sound, you know it's going to be the letter P. And when you see that letter P, you're going to say P, P. You're going to read it P. This is our new sound, P, P. And this is our new letter, P, letter P. I'm going to teach you how to make a letter P, and then you're going to practice at home. Okay, to make a letter P, we make our tall grass. We make a line down. So we go straight. I'll make the capital one first, straight down. And then we curve at the top. We go back to the top and curve around. That's the letter P. We come straight down and then we go back to the top and curve around. Before we make a capital P, let's practice skywriting it. You ready? So we're going to write this in the air. I want you to watch me first. I'm going to use my hand that I write with, and I'm going to put it straight out. And I'm going to put two fingers out, and I'm going to put my other hand that I don't write with on my arm because it helps me remember how my arm is working. It helps me to pay attention better. So I'll put my hand in the air, and I'll come straight down, go back to the top, and curve around one time. Do it with me. Put your hand in the air. We're going to come down, go back to the top, curve around. P. Let's do it again. One more time together. Hand in the air. Come straight down to the bottom. Go back to the top and curve around. P. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to practice writing it. Let's think about how we need to hold our pencil. Pick up your pencil with your hand that you don't write with, your other hand, and hold it. Then take these three fingers, your pointer, your tall man, and your thumb, and make your dinosaur mouth. And you're going to grab that pencil and then flip it over so that when you're holding it, these two fingers are folded down, your pointer's on top, your tall man's on one side, and your thumb is on the other side. And that is coming out of that dinosaur mouth. So now I'm ready to write. Okay, ready? We're going to make one. Watch me do it again. I'm going to come down to the bottom, And then I'm going to go back to the top and curve around. P. I want you to pause the video and practice making 3 P's. Okay, welcome back. Lowercase p looks like that too. It looks like that except it hangs down low. So watch me. The lowercase p is going to start in the middle and come down below the line and curve around p. It's going to come down low. P. Okay, let's skywrite this one. We're going to start in the middle on this one. Okay, get your hand out. We're going to come down low, pop back up, curve around. P. Hand in the air. We're going to start in the middle, not all the way at the top. We're going to come down, go back up, and curve around. P. That's the lowercase p, the little p. It's not the capital one. Now, let's practice writing it. Watch me. I'm going to hold my pencil, flip it over so that I've got it right in the dinosaur's mouth. And I'm going to start in the middle of the tall P, come down low, go back up, and curve around P. I want you to stop the video, and I want you to practice making that P 3 times, the lowercase p, the little one. Okay, now that we're back, let's go back over what we've learned. We've learned bat, b, and we've learned pig, p. Bat, we make the bat first, and then we make the ball for letter B, b, bat, ball. For letter P, we draw our line first, and then we circle back around at the top. Down and around P. I want you to practice making that letter P 10 times. I want you to make it 10 times. You can write it in the dirt outside. You can write it in shaving cream. You can write it with a crayon or make some with Play-Doh. I want you to make at least 10 P's. And then I want you to practice writing that P with a pencil, because we need to practice using our pencil too and making that letter P. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.